Let's dive into Trevor's hair. What I'm thinking is I want to take the sides down even tighter. I want to do a much closer, tight look here. We're going to leave some length at the top, probably a little bit of texture, but I'm going to save the top for last because that's where I'm going to play with the hair. That's where I'm going to kind of be creative with the hair, but in the meantime, I definitely know I want to take the sides tight, so I'm going to focus right now on getting the sides and the back short, and then we'll save the top for last. So let's dive into this. All right, so what I did is I sectioned off the top so that we can tuck the top away for later. We're gonna focus on making this fun. We're gonna give it some texture, but we're gonna take the sides and the back short. As you can see, as I spin Trevor around, we've sectioned both sides up and over so that we don't accidentally cut the top, because I do want to keep that length because I haven't officially decided what I'm going to do with it yet up here. We might leave it disconnected, we might connect it, but by tucking it away at the top, it allows me to decide later. Oftentimes I'll do a haircut, and based off of what I start to see form here will inspire what I'll do there. You can see that from this point, our very first section, I'm starting to work in panels all the way to the back. And I'll stop here halfway and then start on the other side. So okay, so now, as you can see, we've kind of completed the sides and back. Now, what I want to do is remove these clips up here at the top and kind of start to decide what we're going to do here up at the top. So I'm going to take a water bottle, kind of wet this down, kind of see what kind of length we have here to play with, how long we want to leave the top. So let's do that now. Maybe even leave this disconnected from here, maybe not. But let's take a peek now, kind of see what we've got. What I'm thinking right now is I do like a little bit of length because it allows the hair to have texture. You know, when you cut the hair really short, it's hard to create any texture. You can't put any pomade and style it because it's really short. Obviously this is super short, but with the top, if we take it too short, you eliminate the possibility of giving the individual the opportunity to create texture with products depending on how they want to dress the hair. Here's the front. You can see we left it disconnected. I like that because it leaves these a little bit longer. Like I said, he could always push it up if he wants. He could stick it out. It just gives the hair, it just gives the opportunity to play a little bit more with the hair. But that side's blended. This side's got some disconnection. We actually didn't even use clippers. Like I said before, you definitely can. It's much quicker. But for the sake of this video, we just wanted to demonstrate that you can definitely fade a hairline out even if you don't have clippers. So, on that note, this video is done. Don't forget to add a comment down below of haircuts that you'd like to see in the future. On that note, I will see you guys later.